तेलंगाना बीजेपी के सदर रामचंद्र राव ने एसआईआर को लेकर अपोजिशन के एहतजाज पर तनकीद की। उन्होंने हैदराबाद में मीडिया से बात करते हुए कहा कि जब अपोजिशन किसी रियासत में इंतखाबात जीत जाती है तो कोई सवाल नहीं करता, जबकि इंतखाबात में शिकस्त होती है तो EVM और इलेक्शन कमीशन के कामकाज पर सवाल खड़े किए जाते हैं।
Issue by opposing Sir in Bihar election, wherein the voter list is being revised and those who are found to be fake voters, they have been removed. And now Mr. Rahul Gandhi comes and say that these are all fake voters and other things. I would like to ask Mr. Rahul Gandhi that when you won in Himachal Pradesh, you didn't speak anything. When you won in in Telangana, you didn't speak anything about this. When you won in Karnataka, you didn't speak anything about this. So when BJP won Haryana, Maharashtra and few other states, why are you so much worried? It is nothing. Mr. Rahul Gandhi's concern is like a caveat for his defeat in Bihar. He has already considered that he is going to be defeated in Bihar, so therefore as a caveat he is making